start with 2 pieces of 5-yard ribbon that I think complement each other real well. I'm going to start with, this is what I'm going to call one of my tails. I'm going to do my center loop, and then I'm just going to do a small loop here, a medium loop, and then a large loop at the end. So that'll be 3 loops on this side and 3 loops on this side, and then I'll loop it at the bottom for my tails. So here we go. All the loops cinched in my hand, I'm going to run my covered wire right through these top loops right here, my top center loop. I'm going to grab it underneath, grab all my loops. I'm going to pull it really, really tight. Hold on. And twist. Twist it really tight. All right. And then I'll just go back and I'll trim my tails. Okay, now that my tails have been cut, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to alternate fluffing my bows. So I'll have a green this way, and then a corduroy that way, and then I'll alternate. I'll do a corduroy that way and a polka dotted one this way, and then you just repeat alternating the patterns.